related update. As far as online portal related update, ये update most of the taxpayer के लिए important है. And why this is important? Because friends, they had provided a module related to the updation of the functionality deployed on the GST portal. So whatever the updation with respect to GST portal are covered in this module. जो भी अपडेट मे बी लास्ट मंथ और लास्ट वीक में आए हुए हैं वो विच आर रिलेटेड टू जीएसटी पोर्टल आर कवर्ड इन दिस मॉड्यूल. So we had also shared the presentation with respect to last week update. So you can check that presentation also. You will get all the link to the module. You can refer that link also. तो आप वो link भी refer कर सकते हैं module की. आप वो presentation refer कर सकते हैं. Just to we will discuss today or we will discuss in this video certain key updates related to module और जो भी key update online portal के related है और जो module में cover की गई है, let's will discuss some of that. First of all, related to registration. So in case of registration module, new functionality on online portal is available. तो आपका registration अगर सस्पेंड हुआ है या आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन कैंसिल हुआ है और आप फिर से न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन करने वाले हो तो एज पर दैट मॉड्यूल और ऑनलाइन फैसिलिटी जीएसटी पोर्टल पे अलाउ की हुई है कि जब आप न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन अप्लाई करोगे तो आपका जो रजिस्ट्रेशन है वो अलर्ट होगा वो द सेम अथॉरिटीज which had cancelled earlier registration or suspended the registration of that entity. तो वही अथॉरिटी के पास और वही नोडल ऑफिसर के पास आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन अलॉट हो जाएगा. अभी इसमें एक और बात आती है कि इफ दैट गेट अलॉटेड दैट रजिस्ट्रेशन गेट अलॉटेड टू सेम अथॉरिटी then whatever the reason of cancellation or suspension him or that authority may knows and that could delay the registration process. तो ये एक उसका इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है बट द ऑनलाइन पोर्टल already updated with this aspect. Second, as far as registration is concerned, online portal is also updated that now Aadhaar authentication is not required for certain purposes. Like if you are going to add the authorized signatory and in the core field, then other authentication has been removed. So in that case, certain amendments related to other authentication has also covered in that module. Now, one of the core field or the business or all assessees has required to select their businesses. So for existing taxpayer or existing GST payer, the functionality on the GST portal has made available, wherein the taxpayer has to select the category or the function or the core business activity. As per that tab or as per that function, three categories are provided. One is manufacturing, wholesale or retailer, and service provider and other. So please ensure whatever category you are having, please select that category because this is made on online portal. This is one of the compulsory aspect. So please complete that. So this is with respect to registration. Now, second, with respect to returns, certain amendments are also made on online portal with respect to return. First and everyone, तो ये update सबके लिए important है और I think everyone want that update or waiting for that update. So if you see on online portal, there is a reset option made available. तो वो reset option से क्या होता है? If you do that reset option, whatever data you uploaded on the GSTR1 or the IFF facility, that will get deleted completely. तो पहले क्या होता था, देयर वाज नो सच ऑप्शन रिलेटेड टू रीसेट एक्सेट्रा. तो हमें अगर डिलीट, सो सबमिशन के बाद डेफिनेटली आफ्टर सबमिशन यू कांट डिलीट एनी डेटा, बट बिफोर सबमिशन आल्सो एनी टैक्स पेयर हैज अपलोडेड द डेटा, देन इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिलीट द डेटा. तो हमें वन बाय वन वो डेटा डिलीट करना पड़ता था. बट नाउ इफ अपलोडेड डेटा इज इनकरेक्ट और देयर इज एनी एरर अपीयरिंग व्हाइल सबमिटिंग द डेटा, तो आप कर रिसेट अगर वो टैब यूज करोगे तो ऑल डेटा विल गेट डिलीटेड एंड यू कैन सबमिट द न्यू डेटा ऑन ऑनलाइन पोर्टल. Again, this is an useful option and it is made available on the online portal now. Now, this is with respect to return, one of the major change I can say. Then One of the again change, and this is with this is applicable to majority of the manufacturer who is required to file ITC 04. ITC 04 किसके लिए? जॉब वर्कर के लिए. If you manufacturer sending the goods to the job worker, तो आपको अगर ITC 04 एप्लीकेबल है, तो आप अगर देखोगे तो ITC 04 में टेबल 5 में डाउनलोड ऑप्शन प्रोवाइड किया है ना. So this tab is now made available download. So you can download the table 5 of the ITC 04 now. Whatever detail filled in the ITC 04 table 5, this is available for the downloading purpose. So these are certain written related functionality made available, or new functionality made available. One functionality is refund. Again, this is relevant to many of the taxpayer. तो friends, पहले क्या होता था? Whenever you are going to refund will not be allowed if your tax paid or the GSTR 3B liability or the GSTR 3B amount is less than the refund claim. That means refund claim is more, then refund was not allowed. तो many representation किए गए कि in case of the foreign exchange fluctuation, refund amount could be higher because of foreign exchange. तो ये जो validation criteria था वो अब remove किया है. Now even the refund amount is higher than the 3B amount, the portal is allowing the refund. But please note that this functionality or this validation on online portal has removed only because the FIRC. So there is a fluctuation. You know that there is daily fluctuation in the foreign exchange currency, and because of that, the amount of 3B or related to the export could be lower than the amount actually related to the FIRC. So at the time of the filing of the refund, or considered for the purpose of the refund. And because of this, this is the reason why that validation has removed. So this is related to refund. One more important update related to the online portal is with respect to GST audit. So friends, now the tab is made available for the GST departmental audit. तो वो टैब से आप ऑनलाइन नोटिसेस को रिप्लाई दे सकते हो, आप एक्सटेंशन कर सकते हो. मे बी ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन एंड एक्सेट्रा सिनेरियो दे हैड मेड दैट अवेलेबल. सो इफ यू आर departmental audit is going on, then you can reply to using that tab. Also, you can use that tab for the purpose of extension if you require the extension for submission of the data. Even you can submit the details of the data by way of the online portal only. So this tab is available. This is also relevant for many of the taxpayer. You can use this for the purpose of the submission of the data also. So this is mainly we had covered the online portal related to update. So mainly we had covered registration, return, and even the refund related update, and one of the GST audit. One small update related to online portal, again relevant for many of us, is you can now see whether your vendor has, or any of the taxpayer has made or has completed his other authentication through online portal. So it's not even तो आपको login भी करना नहीं होगा. If you put the GSTN number, you can get that whether they had completed the other authentication or not. So this tab is also made available on the online portal. So these are certain key updates. अगर आपको डिटेल में अपडेट चाहिए और आपको सब अपडेट पढ़ने हैं ऑनलाइन पोर्टल के रिलेटेड, तो यू कैन रेफर दैट मॉड्यूल और मॉड्यूल लिंक विच वी हैड प्रोवाइडेड इन आवर प्रेजेंटेशन. और इवन हमने ईच एंड एवरी अपडेट जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है वो प्रेजेंटेशन में कवर किए हैं. सो यू कैन रीड दैट ऑल्सो.